Day 2. I'm heading from Culemborg today. I'm going to Nijmegen first, along a long canal. So I'm just trying to find that route out of Culemborg from the Lek dike, and yeah, onto this large canal. I don't know what it's called, can't remember what it's called, but I'll find out. Alright, immediately lost, following the numbered cycling system to try and get out of town. My goal was not to go through the town at all, and it's the town. Oh, got to go left here. Okay, that was a short detour through the town. It was a very nice little town. I've been there before, but I need to get myself on the right track here to go to Nijmegen. So I'm looking for another number now. I think it's number 19, and it's to the right here. We're going over that direction where the sunshine's coming from, so that'll be really nice. A bit chilly this morning, but it's quite early. So I'll see you soon. Stopped here to take a proper look at the river. This river behind me is still the Lek. The Nederrijn starts a few kilometres up there to my left. I cycled this route before in 2017 on my way back from Düsseldorf, so I can remember this little bit of the dike here, and I can remember this little view. So I thought I'd just stop, take a few pictures and move on. But yeah, so this is the Lek. Nederrijn starts up there, but we're not going to go on the Nederrijn today. We're going on a canal which joins the Nederrijn to the Vaal, I think, but I'll find out when I get there. Alright, moving on. I've left the canal, that large canal behind me. I couldn't actually find the track that runs beside the canal, or maybe I could and it just didn't run anywhere really near it, just parallel to it. So I'm moving on now, still heading to Nijmegen on yet another straight Dutch cycleway. Just pulled off the main cycle route into this little village just so I can have a look at the map and get my bearings, and then I found this really amazing little church just in the middle of the village. There's nobody around. Quite nice to have a look at the church, so just had a bit of a walk around there. That was really good. So I'm going to head off now back the way I came in the village, and I've got to head along the main sort of cycle route to a village called Xanten, which I spent some time in when I was very much younger. I've left Xanten now and I'm heading off along the Vaal dike. The river is over there on the right, quite a way away from here actually. It's really windy up here. I'm just having a bit of trouble moving along. Yeah, it's really windy up here. I'm down to about 20k an hour, which is fine. I don't really want to go much faster than that with all this weight, but yeah, it'd be nice if it wasn't windy. This bit's been really hard going. It's been 41k almost entirely into the wind, with almost no break in that. You can see over there on the horizon from this bit of video that there's a kind of weather shelf in the clouds, and the other side of that is bright blue sky, and this side is just grey and windy and actually quite cold. So hopefully another 20k or so I should be getting into that. I think I'm heading for that bridge over there. I think that's the one that takes me into Nijmegen, but I think there is also another bridge. There's a second bridge a bit further along, so it may be that one. I'll have to see what the cycle route says when I get there. Alright, there's the bridge. There's a tractor going over it, but I don't think it's the cycle one. I'm just going to stop over here and have a look. Probably have a little bit to eat as well. Probably do with that. No, this is clearly not the bridge for me. I've got another 11k that way, so I'm just going to have something to eat and drink and just a little bit of a pace about and have a look at the bridge. Okay, that little place, there's a gallery in the old church and another one of those Dutch overlanding vehicles parked right next to it. Everything you see on the on these little routes, amazing. And over behind the camera is the Val. And there was a sign just back there that said there was a diversion. I don't really know what it said. Only the word diversion, so hopefully I haven't got to ride all the way down there and ride all the way back again, but we'll see. Okay, so that sign said the road and the route is totally closed, so I'm going to go back that way a couple of kilometres and find another way through the greenhouses over there. Right, that was a monumental pain in the arse. There's a 12k diversion just to get to this bridge. There must have been an easier way than that. But anyway, I'm on the bridge now. Time for lunch. I just stopped for some lunch in Nijmegen. I didn't film any of it. It was just a pretty standard bread type lunch. And I'm heading out now towards Clever in Germany. And yeah, it's getting colder and colder. Any sense of that blue sky that I was chasing after, that's all gone. And I'm still into the wind. It's unbelievable, really. Quite hard going, but yeah, let's see how we get on. The road's quite busy. Well, there we are, that's out of the Netherlands. I'm in Germany now, just crossed over into Germany. You can kind of tell the cycle route is immediately different. There are no markings, it's a bit more lumpy, and yeah, still fine, but different. So right now it's onward to Clever and then find the route out to Kalkar, I think, and then onto the campsite, which I haven't booked, so let's hope they've got a spot. I'm just coming up to Krankenborg station. Looks like a disused railway line. Bit of a cycling mecca now. There's lots of cycle routes from here to here, around here. Yeah, looks good. There's some old geezer over there. I'm going to catch him up. He's got one of those German electric bikes. Clearly he doesn't know what he's doing with it. So I'm still going on this really long straight cycleway. There's a little road coming up. I'll slow down a bit. I'm going to turn the camera around in a moment and see if you get the sense of the wind. I've been doing this now for about 10k and it's whew, mighty. Okay, so we're coming to Cleveland now, and this is the end of the line for this little train, wherever it goes to and starts. I think it's a sort of pedal along bicycle train rather than me. That's a bloody long way, especially if it's windy. So yeah, into Cleveland now,
right, then slight left,
and then optimistically out towards Xanten. I'm making quite good progress down this this road towards Kalkar. Probably another 5 or 6k to go to Kalkar, then should be directions locally for the campsite. Probably another 15k altogether. The wind is slightly eased by all the tree cover that's coming up, which is quite nice. Yeah, I'm making pretty good progress. This will be 95k so far today. Yeah, good. Okay, so that's Kalkar. I'm just waiting for Google to tell me which way to go next.
Slide right onto Strasse B57.
There we go, Strasse, something or other, really bad pronunciation. Back out in the countryside again. Right now, this road, 8k, I've finally turned south, and yeah, it's quite a lot easier to go along. Very good. So this is 103k now, along here for another, I don't know, 7 or 8, Google will tell me, and then we're nearly there. So right now I'm off the Radway, and I'm on a street heading towards the campsite. It tells me to go this way for 2 kilometers. There's a funny junction coming up. Which way is the right way? I think we go round to the left. That looks like a side road. So here we go. 2k. Getting there, getting there. Okay, you've got to turn right here, and then
continue on Strasse for 1.5 kilometers.
Okay, so just turn right onto this road, another 1.5 kilometers down here. Looks like there's the campsite. Can't see it yet. Alright, that wraps up the ride for the day. That's day 2 done. Kulenburg to Xanten in Germany. 120 kilometers on the bike, not too bad, 5.5 hours. That's just outside what I wanted to do in my average, but you know, given the wind and everything, that's a pretty good ride. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go and have a shower, get myself changed out of my cycling clothes, and make a drink and just enjoy the evening here by this lake.